Hello everyone. Today in this topic we'll be talking about 6 tips on maintaining long distance relationships. Absolutely. Long distance relationships often get a bad rap, right? People say they don't work out, but the truth is absence can actually make the heart grow fonder. When you are apart, you tend to appreciate your partner more and not take them for granted. Think about it. Some long distance couples feel closer than those living together. Why? Because they are super willing to communicate, to share their problems, to make that effort. And that's what it all comes down to. So let me break down 6 tips to ace that long distance game. First off, personal gifts. Before you part ways, exchange something meaningful. It does not have to be fancy. Think nightlights, stuffed animals, even matching hoodies. The point is, it's a piece of each other you can hold on to. Then, routines and schedules. Time zones might throw you a curveball, but embrace the differences. Share your routines. Adjust to each other's availability and set up those Skype dates. It's about finding a rhythm that works for both of you. Then, trust is a biggie. Life is unpredictable. Things come up. Instead of jumping onto conclusions, build trust. Talk about how you are feeling. It beats stowing in anxious thoughts and assuming the worst. Communication matters. Trust me. But quality over quantity. Yeah, you gotta keep in touch. But bombarding each other with the messages 24/7, not the move. Find balance. Have real conversations that make you appreciate each other's thoughts and ideas. Then, visits are the highlight. But hey, not every trip will be perfect. Embrace spontaneity. Don't stress if plans go sideways. It's about being together, not the fancy stuff you do. Lastly, face challenges together. Long distance is tough, not denying that. Sometimes insecurities creep in, making you think breaking up might be easier. But pause. Remember why you are in this. It's temporary and you're growing together. So, what's your take on the long distance relationships? Any tips to share? Drop in the comments below. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for tuning in.